Hello, all. Welcome to CodePath. From theory to mastery, one hint at a time. It's a systematic bridge from your classroom theory to interview ready skills. Let's talk about the problem and the person. Meet Alex, your fellow CS student. Despite excelling in algorithms classes, Alex hits a wall when tackling real world coding problems. Like many students, Alex faces a frustrating cycle, either getting stuck with no guidance or looking up solutions without truly learning. The gap between understanding theory and solving real world problems seems impossible to bridge for him. That's where CodePath comes into the picture. But before that, let's talk about our competition. When you're stuck on lead code or hacker rank, you face a blank wall. There's no guidance, no hints. You just get a pass or a fail. What's the only option left to you is to jump between YouTube tutorials showing single solutions or get lost in the endless forum discussion. No worries. CodePart to the rescue. We provide you with three important features. First is the progressive hints or optimization checker. It checks how optimized is your code and gives you feedback. The next is the knowledge bank. Every problem you solve becomes a permanent part of your learning library. It's perfect for interview prep or quick refreshers. And finally, are the multiple approaches or understanding multiple solutions for a given problem from brute force to the most optimal one and learn when to use each. Let's just dive into the demo. Let's say I would like to explore the problem or explore the topic arrays and hashing. I get two problem statements. Let's go ahead with the two sum problem. The question is to find two numbers that add up to the given target. I will provide with the most brute force approach that I could think of. Let me test the efficiency of my code. Consider using a dictionary to track numbers. All right, so I will consider using dictionary instead. Let me test my efficiency. Ensure to handle the case where the list nums is empty or contains only one item. I ran through multiple iterations, and finally, in the end, I get your solution is already efficient with the use of dictionary to track numbers and their indices. So, yes. Now, seeing the problem approaches. Over here, we are provided with two problem approaches. First is the brute force approach, and it gives us the time and space complexity along with human understandable steps in order to replicate this. And if I mark this particular problem as complete, it instructs me that I need to add a node before making the problem state, before updating it. So some user node. And now I mark it as complete. The problem is marked as complete and add it to your notes. I go to my notes. Over here, I can see the problem, the difficulty level, what approach is used, the time and space complexity. Check every pair elements to see if their sum equals the target. This is the user me, the notes written by me. And I could go ahead and see that total number of problems solved is 1 out of 4. Finally, if I say what are the metrics, metrics is nothing but the number of times it took me, the number of iterations the user had to do in order to reach to its optimal solution. Thank you all.